Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. I am Sayyid Zulfiqar Ahmad. Today is 6 Ziqada. Let us start with Hadith Sharif. हज़रत अब्दुल्ला बिन उमर रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु से रिवायत है, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, एक औरत को इसलिए दोज़ख में डाल दिया गया कि उसने एक बिल्ली को बांध कर रखा था। उसे ना कुछ खिलाती थी ना पिलाती थी और वो इस हालत में मर गई। A plumber died on the spot while cleaning sewage pipes at Hyderabad airport on Thursday. According to the sources, Narasimha Reddy and two other plumbers were cleaning the sewage line that was leaking atop ceiling at the arrivals of the airport when the incident took place. In order to clear the blockages from pipes, Narasimha Reddy had poured acid into the pipes that triggered the emission of gas, killing Narasimha on the spot. Siyasat and Faizam Trust have installed inhalation therapy kits at various localities in Hyderabad for the benefits of the people. These inhalation therapy kits help people in getting rid of infections in the throat and nose. Currently, these kits have been installed at Santosh Nagar, Mushirabad, Yakutpura and Karwan. The Apex Council of Hyderabad Cricket Association suspended its president Mohammad Azharuddin over conflict of interest. The council said Azharuddin did not disclose he was a mentor of a T10 team in Dubai. Azharuddin said a false narrative is being created to attack him, adding that conflict clause applies only in India. Is it written in constitution? I have to inform everything I do, he added. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the government is committed to provide free of cost COVID-19 vaccine to everyone. He said vaccination coverage will be expanded from the upcoming 21st June and the same facility will be provided to the people aged about 18 years which have been provided to the people aged about 45 years so far. Information Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad emphasized that the government is not in favor of banning any platform at the same time. They have to follow the law. He said if half of the government is on Twitter, including Prime Minister and President, it shows how far the government is. He recalled that when Capitol Hill in Washington was raided, Twitter blocked accounts of the including the then President of USA. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin met Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in New Delhi on Friday as he concluded his first two-day visit to the national capital after the Dravida Munitra Kazhagam-led coalition returned to the power in Tamil Nadu last month. Congress is a part of the government in the state. Mamata vs. Suvendu. High Court adjourns hearing on TMC Supremo's place challenging Nandigram verdict. The Kolkata High Court on Friday adjourned hearing on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee play challenging Suvendu Adhikari's selection from Nandigram Assembly seat in the Assembly elections. Eyes of three children infected with black fungus removed in Mumbai. 16-year-old develops fungus in his stomach. In a shocking incident, three children infected with black fungus or microcomacaisis had a loss on eye each. The three children, 4, 6 and 14 years old, were operated upon. Two micromycosis or black fungus cases in children are a worrying sign, say doctors. A friendship starts with a meaningful gift. The US President Joe Biden appears to have taken the adage seriously. He had gifted his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin a pair of American-made sunglasses in his favorite avatar style. Hong Kong pro-democracy newspaper Apple Daily on Friday increased its print run to 5 lakh copies as residents showed support for the beleaguered press freedom a day after police arrested 5 top editors and executives and froze USD 2.3 million worth of assets on national security charges. The stage is that for the much awaited ICC World Test Championship final, in which the two heavyweights India and New Zealand will square off against each other to script history. Both Virat Kohli and Kenny Williamson will fight for their maiden ICC trophy as captains. Those are the headlines. See you on next week on Monday 3 p.m. Take care. Allah Hafiz.